Thank you for calling. This is Jeffrey. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
May I know your contact details?
0909-3432-50.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Echo, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, sir?
Today.
For how many people, sir?
For 2 people.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
For non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 30, 2025 for 2 persons. Only in non-smoking area under your Mr. Echo with the contact number 0909-3432-506.
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to request, sir?
None.
Mr. Echo, thank you for patronizing CKHM. We're looking forward to welcoming you. Certainly, whom I am speaking to?
Mr. Echo de Leon.
Did I get your name correct, sir?
Yes. Thanks.